In this video we take an honest look at the Lobstr Wallet to understand its strengths, weaknesses, and what real users report online. Lobstr is known for its clean interface and simple setup, making it one of the more accessible wallets for managing Stellar Lumens and Stellar-based tokens. Transactions are generally fast, and the app offers convenient tools for tracking balances and sending or receiving assets. However, user feedback shows several concerns you should be aware of. Many complaints highlight slow or unresponsive customer support, especially when accounts get locked or transactions fail. Another major issue is the large number of scam tokens circulating on the Stellar network, which can appear in the wallet if users aren't careful about verifying issuers. Some users also mention occasional freezes or difficulties accessing funds, making it less reliable for holding large balances. Overall, Lobstr works fine as a lightweight convenience wallet for basic Stellar use, but it requires caution and may not be ideal for storing significant amounts. Stay informed and subscribe for more honest reviews.